Hey there! Before we dive into the knowledge check, let's take a moment to recall what we've learned so far. Think about the materials and tools we discussed, and remember to trust your instincts as you answer these questions. Ready? Let's go. First question. What is an advantage of using metal crochet hooks for beginners? A. They are lightweight and colorful. B. Yarn glides easily over them. C. Adds friction. D. They are the least durable option. If you said B, yarn glides easily over them, you would be correct. Metal hooks are great for beginners as the yarn glides easily over them. Second question, why might you choose a crochet hook with an ergonomic grip? A, to work faster. B, to reduce hand fatigue during extended crochet sessions. C, to make smaller stitches. D, to change yarn colors easily. If you said B, to reduce hand fatigue during extended crochet sessions, you are correct. Ergonomic grips help reduce hand fatigue during extended crochet sessions. Question number 3. Why is it important to use yarn from the same dye lot for a project? A, to ensure consistent yarn weight. B, to match the recommended hook size. C, to ensure color consistency throughout the project. D, to make the yarn softer. If you said C, to ensure color consistency throughout the project, you are correct. Yarn is dyed in batches, so it is important to make sure to use yarn from the same dye lot for consistency. Question number 4. What is a common characteristic of acrylic yarn? A, it is made from natural fibers. B, it is lightweight and budget-friendly. C, it is always used for delicate projects. D, it should only be used with wooden hooks. If you said B, it is lightweight and budget-friendly, you would be correct. Acrylic yarn is lightweight and budget-friendly. Last question. What information can be found on a yarn label? A, hook size recommendation. B, care instructions. C, fiber content. D, all of the above. If you said D, all of the above, you are correct. Hook size recommendation, care instructions, and fiber content can all be found on a yarn label. Great job on the knowledge check. Whether you got all the answers correct or some wrong, remember that every step is progress. Review any missed questions and don't hesitate to revisit the materials if you need a refresher. You're doing fantastic. Keep it up. When you're ready, head on over to the next section where we are about to start crocheting.